The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite and the second brightest celestial body in the night sky, after the Sun. It plays a crucial role in influencing Earth, from gravitational forces and tides to ecological and climatic impacts. According to research, the Moon formed approximately 4.5 billion years ago from a massive collision between early Earth and a hypothetical Mars-sized planet called Theia. After the impact, debris from Earth and Theia merged to form the Moon. 1. Size and mass of the Moon. Diameter, approximately 3,474 kilometers, about 1/4 of Earth's diameter. Mass, about 1/81 of Earth's mass. Gravity, only about 1/6 of Earth's gravity, meaning a person weighing 60 kilograms on Earth would weigh approximately 10 kilograms on the Moon. 2. Internal structure of the Moon. The Moon has a three-layer structure, core, primarily composed of iron and possibly contains some liquid metal, with a diameter of about 330-360 kilometers. Mantle, mainly made of silicate, constituting most of the Moon's volume, with strong evidence of past volcanic activity. Crust, about 50-100 kilometers thick, primarily composed of basalt and anorthosite, featuring numerous impact craters caused by meteoroid collisions. 3. Surface and terrain of the Moon. The Moon has a rugged terrain with countless craters formed by meteorite impacts. There are two main types of terrain: lunar maria, dark basaltic plains covering about 16% of the surface; lunar highlands, lighter-colored regions with many mountains and craters. Due to the lack of a significant atmosphere, temperatures on the Moon vary drastically. Daytime, up to 127 degrees Celsius. Nighttime, drops to -173 degrees Celsius. 4. Orbit and rotation of the Moon. The Moon orbits Earth with a period of approximately 27.3 days, orbital period. This period is nearly equal to its rotation period, causing the Moon to always show the same face toward Earth, tidal locking. The average distance from Earth to the Moon is 384,400 kilometers, but it is gradually moving away from Earth at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year. 5. The Moon's influence on Earth. Causes tides. The Moon's gravitational pull causes ocean water to rise, creating tides. Stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, helps maintain the tilt of Earth's axis -23.5 degrees, ensuring a stable climate. Slows Earth's rotation. The Moon gradually slows Earth's rotation, lengthening a day by about 1.7 milliseconds per century. What would happen to Earth without the Moon? The Moon plays a crucial role for Earth. If the Moon disappeared or had never existed, our planet would experience severe impacts, completely altering the environment and the development of life. 1. Earth's axial tilt and stability. The Moon helps stabilize Earth's axial tilt at 23.5 degrees. Without the Moon, Earth's tilt could fluctuate drastically between 0 degrees and 85 degrees, making seasons highly unpredictable. This could lead to extreme ice ages or prolonged global warming, making Earth less habitable for humans and other life forms. Additionally, since the Moon's gravity currently slows Earth's rotation, its disappearance would cause Earth to spin faster. A day could shrink to just 6-8 hours instead of 24, disrupting the biological rhythms of all living organisms, including humans. 2. Significant tidal reduction. The Moon is the primary cause of tides on Earth. Without the Moon, tides would weaken drastically, remaining only 30% of their current strength, as they would be influenced solely by the Sun. This would have serious consequences, disrupted ocean currents, affecting heat circulation between oceans and leading to global climate changes. Threats to marine life, as many species rely on tidal changes for survival, impacting the entire ocean ecosystem. 3. Climate impacts. Earth would face severe climate changes without the Moon. Unstable temperatures across different regions due to axial tilt fluctuations. Disrupted weather patterns, affecting agriculture and human habitability. Frequent ice ages or extreme heat waves, pushing Earth into harsh environmental conditions. 4. Impact on ecosystems and life. Without the Moon, ecosystems would suffer greatly. Many marine species could go extinct due to the loss of tidal influence in their biological cycles. Disrupted circadian rhythms in both animals and humans due to changes in the day-night cycle. Slowed or hindered life development, as extreme climate conditions could make Earth less hospitable. 5. Impact on human civilization. Loss of a crucial subject in scientific research. The Moon serves as a key stepping stone for space exploration. Loss of cultural and artistic inspiration, from mythology and poetry to philosophy. Is there life on the Moon? 1. Environmental conditions on the Moon. The Moon has extreme environmental conditions that make it nearly impossible for life, as we know it, to exist. No thick atmosphere. The Moon has only a very thin layer of gases, insufficient to sustain oxygen or protect its surface from cosmic radiation and meteor impacts. This prevents a stable water cycle and an Earth-like environment. Harsh temperatures. Due to the lack of an atmosphere, the Moon experiences extreme temperature variations. Daytime, up to 127 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt some metals. Nighttime, drops to minus 173 degrees Celsius, colder than Antarctica. These conditions prevent liquid water, a key element for life, from existing on the surface. Lack of significant surface water. Studies indicate the presence of ice deposits in permanently shadowed craters near the lunar poles, but there are no oceans, rivers, or lakes like on Earth. Strong cosmic radiation. Unlike Earth, the Moon lacks a protective magnetic field, exposing it to intense solar and cosmic radiation. These high-energy rays can damage DNA, cause mutations, and make survival for Earth-like organisms extremely difficult. 2. Could life exist? Given its extreme conditions, the Moon is not suitable for life as we know it on Earth. However, scientists continue to explore the possibility of extremophiles, microorganisms capable of surviving in extreme cold, high radiation, or low oxygen environments. Some possible scenarios include: ancient life, if it ever existed, was wiped out. Some hypotheses suggest that the Moon might have had better conditions billions of years ago, during a period of intense volcanic activity. However, if any life had ever existed, it would have been wiped out as the Moon cooled down and lost most of its geological activity. Life may exist beneath the surface. Some scientists hypothesize that subsurface ice could provide a protective environment against radiation and sustain microbial life. Research from NASA's spacecraft has confirmed the presence of ice at the lunar poles, but no evidence of living microorganisms has been found there yet. Artificial life from humans. Although there is no natural life on the Moon, humans plan to introduce life by building settlements or bringing bacteria and plants for research. Projects by NASA, SpaceX, and other nations are working toward establishing long-term lunar outposts. Currently, there is no evidence of life on the Moon. Its harsh environment, with strong radiation, lack of air, extreme temperatures, and absence of liquid water, makes it unsuitable for natural life. However, With advancing technology and continuous exploration, humans may bring life to the moon in the future through scientific bases and settlements. The moon plays a crucial role for Earth. If the moon disappeared or had never existed, our planet would experience severe impacts, completely altering the environment and the development of life. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to watch new videos as soon as they are released.